Namaste children. Today we are going to learn how to paint on a fabric using acrylic colors or fabric colors. So first I'm going to in detail I'm going to mention what all things you required. First we need a ring. It's made of wood, or also you can use a plastic ring which is readily available. You need a fabric cloth, preferably white cotton cloth, or you can use any synthetic cloth also. Then we need acrylic colors or fabric colors. Okay, here we are going to use only red and yellow in this activity. So apart from that, we need brush. So it is advised to use the brush for one brush for each color. You need not mix the brushes into different color. Next, we need a bowl of water, a palette for mixing color. Yes, these are the things you require. One more important thing, keep a spare cloth to wipe the brush. Okay, now we're going to start the activity. So we're going to start the activity with, now you can see we have already drawn the sketch on the fabric. So you can draw anything you want. Preferably it should not be very complicated. Draw very simple design. Here we have shown you flower motifs. Yeah, it's advisable to draw the design with the pencil only. Don't use sketch pen or the pen, ballpoint pen. Now once your sketch is ready, now you are supposed to start with the painting activity. Now you can see how to use the paint. Take a little quantity of paint into a separate compartment. Your paint should not be too watery or too dry. Your brush should move very flexibly and very neatly. Take another color in another compartment. Don't unnecessarily waste the paint by pouring it too much. Take out the paint out of the bottle according to your requirement. So if you feel that your paint is a bit dry or thick, add a little bit of water. Try to add a little bit of water and mix it and check it on a piece of paper. Once you are okay with the paints, then you start the painting activity. So first we are going to paint the petals with the red. Using the fine brush, draw the outline of the petal using the paint. Try to fill the petals. Color half the petal with red paint. Take another brush which is meant for yellow color. Then fill the rest of the petal with the yellow. Make sure that your paint doesn't spread out of the petal. Now try to mix both the color using a separate brush. You can see the result. You got the two shades. Now if you didn't get this proper shade, try to add a little bit of more of yellow and give the strokes upwards from the bottom of the petal towards the upwards. Now one more petal. The same procedure has to be followed. Fill the half petal with the red paint. Here we are showing red and yellow. You can choose any other color. You can use lavender, you can use blue, you can use purple. Fill the second half with the yellow paint and try to mix up. Make sure that all the petals have the same shades. It shouldn't be like, one petal is more yellowish, another petal is more reddish. In the similar manner, finish all the petals. Okay. Now we are going to show you how to color the center of the flower. You can use any contrasting color. Here we are using dark brown, preferably dark brown. See to it that the color doesn't flow on the petals. To enhance the beauty of the flower, we are going to use white dots on the round brown background. Give the dots in a circular pattern. Just touch the tip of the brush on the fabric. Yeah, this is enough. Don't do it too much. Now we are going to do the rest of the portion, the stem and the leaves. Here we are using two green shades, dark and light. Very simple stem, not very elaborate, not very complicated. If you are not confident, you can draw the stem and the leaves. If you are very confident, you can directly use the brush on the fabric and try to draw the stem. You have to keep it in mind, there are no options for the correction, so do it carefully. If you are not comfortable keeping it in one position, you can turn the ring, whichever position you can do it comfortable. Turn the ring and start painting. You can shade the stem with a light color. All this shading has to be done keeping in mind the entire design. You can see here we are not doing any realistic stem or leaf. It is a design pattern. Use the brush just like a pen. Don't press the brush too hard. If you press it, the bristles will spread and your lines will be broad. You won't get a thin, fine line. Now the leaf. First you draw the outline of the leaf with the same color, dark green here. Then try to fill it. Again here we have used light green and yellow to enhance the beauty, which will give the shades. We'll start with the base of the leaf, light green. Slightly as you reach upwards, drag the brush like a stroke. In the rest of the half, fill it with the yellow, lemon yellow. Then with another brush, dry brush, okay, we'll repeat the same technique and we'll show you how to color the leaf. So you can add the number of leaves according to the design and the pattern, the space available. Here we are shown just one stem, one leaf. If you want, you can add number of leaf according to your wish. They may be in the different shape. Here we are just showing you the simple basic shape of the leaf. Again, draw the outline of the leaf with a dark green. Fill the color at the base of the leaf with light green, the rest of the half with yellow. And try to slightly mix. Make sure that you are not going to mix it too much. Both the shades should be visible properly. You can see here the green and the yellows. Now the activity is almost complete. If you are unable to draw directly on the fabric or the cloth, you can use stencil or you can also trace it. To make sure, just for the sake of trial and learning, choose the designs which are very simple, which you can do it. Don't choose any complicated design. Now you can see the flower petals are dry. Giving the white strokes, lines, 1 or 2 lines in each petal will increase the beauty of the flower. The way we do the shading on the using the pencils, you can give here and there white strokes on the stem. You can see here we are not drawing the complete line or one side of the stem. Slightly here and there, just to show the difference, we are giving the white strokes with the white paint. Okay children, you can see here if you feel that portion is there is a lot of space left in your ring, you can add one more petal. It may be half flower or anything else. You can add butterfly, you can add a small bird or a buds. So it's a very interesting activity. I hope everybody will try it. Thank you.